Good evening, one and all. I am Sada from Teachers Couple Talks channel. As you know, I am teaching from few days about aspects of concepts of science, aspects of also some other subjects about respiration and expression. As you know, before I was teaching about these aspects of science, and I am grateful and glad to receive your greetings. And I'm also thankful for your sharing my channel, subscribing my channel, and liking my channel. Let's getting into the topic. Today's topic is respiration in different organisms. Respiration in different what is respiration? When glucose molecules are oxidized, inside the body, they release oxygen along they release oxygen along with some energy. This energy is used to carry out various metabolic activities inside the body. Next, respiration in lower organisms. Very lower organisms in prokaryotes, like in prokaryotes, some the alcohol molecule is oxidized to ethanol. Pyruvic acid molecules are oxidized to ethanol, and during this process, molasses is carried out through molasses and wheat grains during respiration. And respiration in lower organisms like protozoans, that are unicellular organisms. The water inside the sea or the river or pond is diffused through plasma membrane into the cytoplasm. The oxygen is carried through plasma membrane through diffusion into the cytoplasm of amoeba. And as during respiration, as a result of carbon dioxide formed inside the cytoplasm of amoeba is diffused through plasma membrane to outside. This is the respiration in protozoans. Next, at tissue level. At tissue level, the sponges or coelentrates or tissue level organisms, the single cells are arranged for respiration, diffuse the water present inside oxygen present inside the water is diffused to plasma membrane into the cytoplasm of sponges, and as a result carbon dioxide formed inside the sponges in the cytoplasm is diffused through plasma membrane into water. Next, annelida. Annelidans. What are annelidans? The annelidans are leeches and earthworms. The skin is moist for the respiration through skin is called cutaneous respiration. And the skin of earthworm or leech is always moist as it lives near the surrounding ponds. Next, the skin is richly supplied with blood vessels. The moist skin passes oxygen into the blood vessels, and the oxygen is carried by respiratory pigment called hemoglobin throughout the body. And the oxygen formed inside is diffused through the carbon dioxide formed inside as a result of respiration is diffused out through cutaneous. This is cutaneous respiration in Annelida. In arthropoda, arthropodans are called insects. Insects are called belong to phylum Arthropoda. In these insects, there are 10 pairs of spiracles arranged on either side of the body on below the skin. And this trachea, at each segment, the trachea are arranged on either side of the body. The trachea opens outside through tracheoles. This is called tracheal respiration. And when the oxygen present in the atmosphere passes through tracheoles and reaches the cockroach, the blood is white in color due to absence of hemoglobin. It reaches through stigmata to all parts of the body, and as a result carbon dioxide from is sent out through tracheoles from trachea through exhalation. Next, I had told about respiration in lower organisms like bacteria and algae. Next, protozoans. Next, tissue level organisms. Next, annelidans, arthropodans, and now Pisces. Pisces means fishes. In fishes, there are respiratory organs and bronchi or gills. The water present inside the oxygen present inside the water when passes through gills, the oxygen inside the water is absorbed by the gills and passed outside, and as a result of respiration, carbon dioxide inside formed is passed out through gills during exhalation. Next, in aves and mammals, the respiration is pulmonary respiration. Pulmonary respiration means heart respiration through lungs. Pulmonary respiration. In human beings, we have two nostrils opening as a opening of the nose. During inhalation, the oxygen present in atmosphere enters through nostrils and reaches the lungs, and this oxygen is when the heart pumps blood, the oxygen present inside the alveoli and are oxidized by the blood is by purified blood is oxidized and reaches through various parts of the body through arteries, and deoxygenated blood and impure blood is carried from veins through alveoli. It is sent out through exhalation. This is the respiration that is through veins. This is the respiration in humans. Thank you, one and all. I once again thank. I'm glad, and I am pleased, and by sharing our channel, subscribing our channel, and liking our channel. Now I am grateful to say each and everyone thankful for sharing my channel, subscribing my channel, and liking my channel. Thank you, one and all. It's your Sharda. This is from Teachers Couple Talks channel. Your Sharda.